Everyone, let me welcome you all to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about the topic CPA marketing vs affiliate marketing. So most of the person, nearly 90% of the people look to make a money from internet, because today internet is getting so boomed. Everybody is looking for a review, reading an article, checking a review in YouTube, spending time in social media. Even a social media has become unuseful. Nowadays the people are using the social media not only for the entertainment purpose, they are using it for checking some of the courses or reviews like that. So it become so popular among the people. So, and most of the persons are looking for some side hustle also, like they are looking to make some passive income. If they are doing 9 to 5 job also, they are looking to make some money from internet, because internet is that much powerful. So the best way to make money from internet is you must have a skill. Without skill, there are many spam is there, we have data entry is there, captcha work is there. So like this, lot of spam is there. So 99% of the work which is given on the internet is completely spam. To be frank, in order to make a money from internet, you must have the skill. You must invest your time. I'm not saying you to invest your money. You must invest your time. So CPA marketing and affiliate marketing is the best way where you can earn money through an online. So today I am going to discuss the topic which is best, CPA marketing or affiliate marketing. That is the topic today we are going to see. So before that, let me explain a few things about CPA marketing. First, you must understand what is CPA marketing and what is affiliate marketing. This CPA marketing is otherwise called as, we can say it as PPL, that is pay per lead. So the person, maybe a person, he will looking for an offer, he will go to the landing page. Once he submits some action, like it may be an email, or maybe he is doing some sign up, or submitting a zip code, or downloading something. Suppose if he is doing some of these activities, you will get paid. That is called as CPA marketing. So once again I'll explain. One person, he is going to a landing page. In that landing page, suppose if he is submitting his email ID or doing some sign up, submitting a zip code or doing some download, whenever they do that action, you will get paid. This is called as CPA marketing. Whereas in affiliate marketing, if a person is looking for an offer, he will go to the landing page. He have to buy some product here. Then only, that is, sales should happen. Then only you will get paid. So this is called as affiliate marketing. See, people, you can think one thing. So you can easily convince a people to submit something like email or sign up something, but it is very difficult to do a sales, because before peoples are very clever. Before spending money, what they will do is they will look several times whether they should buy that or not. They will look for a review. They will check with the friends, like this. They will do many things. So it is very, very difficult to make up people to get a sales, but we can do that also. That is, I am not saying they will not do a sales itself. That is possible, but that will take a time. But in order to know what is that product, they will get an eagerness. What is that product? What is that? So we are locking them to know about that product. So in order to know about that product, they should submit this email or sign up or something. So you can think sale is so tough, but the lead is very easy. So first, as a beginner, you must concentrate on the CPA marketing. Then gradually the money what you earn from this, right? From that you should go to the affiliate marketing. So as a beginner, this is for the beginner. So what you have to do, you have to start with the CPA marketing, earn some money, then from there you have to start affiliate marketing. So you can spend money for ads, you can create a blog, So through this you can earn a money. Then there is some positive and negative for CPA marketing. Positive is also there, negative is also there. So regarding positive, what we can say is you don't want to get a sales. That is one of the main positive. Only lead is enough. Then in CPA marketing, it is very easy to convince the people. Easy to convince people. These two are the main benefits of CPA marketing, but there is a negative also. Target is there, like they are asking for a lead from the targeted countries. That is one of the main. Then validity of that offer is also there. Suppose if a person network is running an offer, that may be the period of 1 week or 2 week. Suppose if you are promoting that after 1 or 2 week, you will not get paid. So this is the negative of this CPA marketing. But as a beginner, I will give you a small tip. There are many CPA offer which is not based on the country target, that you can promote that offer all over the world. Promote all over the world. There are offer like that, but you have to do a research and find it. Then no country target is there, no validity is there. That is lifelong validity. You can promote that at any time. So that is main tip. We have a network like that. In my next video, I'll be saying what are the CPA network which is having this type of, like, no country target is there, lifetime validity is there. There are many offer like that. So you must subscribe my channel, and what you have to do is when you subscribe my channel, automatically you will get a notification for my next video. So I'll be updating everything. This is a step-by-step process. This is just an introduction. In my next video, I'll say what are the networks and how to get approval from that networks. So thanks for watching my channel.